Hello everyone, today in this video we will discuss how to fix Bluetooth cutting on Realme Narzo power. Let's start the video. If you want to fix this problem, so restart device, just click and hold side power button and you will see restart from here. After restarting, go back to home screen. You will see your problem is solved. But if it not solved, go to app library. Here click on settings app. Now in setting, scroll down and click on System and Update and click on Software Update. You will check your software update is latest. If it not latest, update your software latest. After update software latest, go back to home screen. You will check your problem is solved. But if it doesn't fix this problem, click on Settings app and click on System and Update. Click on Backup and Reset and click on Reset Phone. If you want to fix this problem, click on Reset All Settings, enter your phone PIN and click on Reset. After click on Reset, go back to home screen. You will see your problem is solved. So that's how you can fix Bluetooth cutting on Realme Narzo Power. If you like the video, please subscribe. Thanks for watching.